how to turn on or turn off link to Windows sync contacts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see second option is Connected Devices. Click on Connected Devices. After click on Connected Devices, you will see click on Link to Window. After click on Link to Window and sign in your link. After sign in your link, scroll down and click on your link. After click on your link, you will see here showing you sync contact. If you want to turn on sync contact, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see sync contact is turn on. If you want to turn off sync contacts, so turn off this button. So you will turn on or turn off sync contacts from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off sync link to Windows sync contact on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.